How to backup Evernote. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So there are two ways to backup Evernote. The first one is to backup the entire app and everything that you do on it, which happens automatically when you create an account, as all of your stuff will stay on your account no matter what. So, for example, deleting the app or factory resetting your phone won't affect anything. The second way is to backup a single note, and while there is no specific feature or option that allows you to do that, you can simply get the job done by copying the note link and keeping it with you. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to backup Evernote. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.